Hello everybody, this is Vafa here with another Lightroom tutorial. This time I'm going to talk about merging photos and making panorama when you have like more than 2 photos that are showing the landscape. I already have 5 photos. It's the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So if we notice, all the photos are kind of panning from left to right. These photos are already downloaded from camera into the folder that is added to Lightroom. They don't show up yet because we have to synchronize the folder. So right click, synchronize folder, and it tells you, hey, there are new files. Sure, synchronize them. And then these photos are showing up all in a row. Import. And these are our photos. You can edit them individually right before merging, or you can merge them together and edit after, doesn't matter. Go to develop and select all the photos. So select the first one, hold on to your shift and select the last one so all photos are selected. It says 5 selected. Either right click, choose merge and then panorama, or go to photos on top and the same menu shows up, photo merge and panorama. So click on panorama and then it creates a preview. In this case, there are some missing parts. You can electronically, magically bring them back using fill edges. So as you see, a little bit of mountain is being added to the preview, and I think that's it. So click on merge. Takes a while to merge the photos. The bar here shows you the progress. Okay, the merged photo is now being created and it's been added to the list of the photos here. So if I click somewhere out of this series and then select the photo again, the only one is selected. Already some changes are being applied to the settings. You can play around them, just bring them down, less highlights to get more clouds showing up here. Exposure, I will add a little bit to it. And shadows, I will bring it down slightly. Whites look good to me. Blacks, maybe a little bit add value. Texture, a little bit of a texture here. And clarity, I add some. Saturation, also a little bit. So I can use this brush here and adjust the size of my brush. I already talked about how to use brush in the other video, but now quickly we just brush around these clouds here. And to see how far I have gone, I can grab my mouse over this. I am missing some stuff here. A little bit close to the leaves. Let's see how much else I'm missing. So some here too. And slightly top of the... Okay. And this is the last part of it, I guess. That feels look good. So I make sure that the effect is double clicked and then everything is back to normal as default. And then I can play around the exposure, see how she's going to change it. So a little bit of less exposure for the clouds and maybe more texture. Okay. And then feathering, maybe I add a little bit feathering and then check it out. Yeah, that could do the job. And shadows, if I bring them down, we get more kind of dramatic look of the clouds in the water. Okay, that looks good. So now done. And remember, always backslash gives you before and after kind of view. And we're done. Thanks for watching and see you next time.